So to make this simple bread recipe, you will need 320 millilitres of warm water, and you will want to add 1.5 teaspoons of dry active yeast. Leave the yeast for 10 minutes, and then you want to measure out your flour, which is 500 grams. You can use bread flour, and I'm using a brown bread flour. And then you want to add this into a bowl with a tablespoon of salt and 20 grams of olive oil. Make sure it's well mixed in with the yeast and the water. You can start mixing it with a spoon and then get in and use your hands until it forms a nice soft dough. And then you want to cover it in cling film or a bag. Leave it for 20 minutes in a warm place. After 20 minutes, you want to fold it 10 to 12 times. So you're just kind of stretching it and then folding it back over itself and turning the bowl whilst you're doing it. And then cover it again and wait another 20 minutes. Repeat the folding 10 to 12 times. And then you're going to need to wait another 20 minutes. So after this, it should have risen a little bit more. It might not be quite as stretchy this time, so just fold it as many times as you can without it breaking. And then you're going to want to prove it for 1 hour. I'm doing mine in a loaf tin today, and I use some coconut oil just to oil the tin to prevent the dough from sticking. And then cover it for the last time and prove for another hour. And preheat your oven to 230. So your dough should be nice and well risen, and you're going to want to just spray down the insides of your oven and cook the bread for 30 to 40 minutes. So it should be really nice and brown and risen and hollow when you tap it.